Alright, cage is open, let's let them out. Comes Mr. White Duck. Oh, I like these white chickens, man. They're good looking chickens. It's nice to have some variants because all of my chickens are light brown, dark brown, or kind of like I got a couple of black ones too, kind of mixture, but I don't have any white ones. I don't even have any white brown chickens with these spots on them with all the black feathers, which is awesome. So that's really cool. Yeah, look at these white ones though. Look how pretty they are. Come on, chickens, you can come out. They're all staying huddled in their little cage they've been in for like the last hour. So. I'm sure they'll eventually want to come out of their cage, but maybe if I went and got them some food and spread them out here. Let me get some food for them. All right, here we go. And here they come. They all come running out. It's like, heck yeah, food. They should be plenty old enough for full-size grains, but if not, I've got a bag of chick feed that I can give them as well. Bought it in case I was going to get some chickens here, or some baby chicks here soon, but I lucked out and traded with a neighbor today, so this is very cool. Oh, here comes Mr. Rooster. Coming over to check out your new girls, huh? Although there might be, I don't know. If I check the feathers and everything accurately on these new birds, they should all be female, but you never know. There might be some males in there. Hey, Mr. Rooster. They're like, what the heck? Who are these? Very awesome. Since I can't get dirt for my raised beds right now, I'm seriously thinking about taking all the sticks out of this and laying a tarp or two in there and filling that with water so they have a pond back here. So I think that'll be pretty cool for them to have. Anyway, I think I'm going to seriously get working on the possibility of that pond. So I will keep you guys updated. This is pretty cool. Very, very cool. I like this.